put the knife upside down.
Thanks, honey.
You're welcome. Rachel.
Yep.
There aren't any gloves back there?
What?
Gloves.
No, there's no doubt.
Oh, that's low.
Love you.